You can create an online website. I mean, an online shopping website with just your phone. Yes, you heard this right. I'm going to be showing you in this video how to create an online website, either for your digital product or for your physical product that anybody can order remotely from any part of the world with just your phone. You don't need a website, you don't need a domain. All you just need is your phone. And you know the funnest part of it is that you are going to be having all of these access for free. Let us go, guys. Before I continue, this is Posse Code and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Now let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is go to your either App Store or go to Play Store. I'm going to go to Play Store. I'm going to search for an app called Bumpa, and this is the app. I've already searched it. So this is Bumpa. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to open Bumpa. I've already have it installed. If you did not have it installed already. Okay. So I'm going to open it. This is Bumpa, and this is what you're going to be having. So Bumpa, and then you're going to open. Then from opening, this is what you're going to have. Let us see. As you can see, it's open. I've already have it there. So if you are opening it for the first time, it's going to ask you to register, to sign up, and every of those things. Then you just sign up with all of your details, and it's going to get started. So it's going to take you after that, going to bring you to this page, which is say move my business online or run sales online. Anyhow, you're going to pick this particular part. Don't pick manage orders or track sales, manage Instagram sales on Bumper. No. You are picking this because you're actually starting out. Okay, so you pick move my business online or run sales online. I want to create discount coupons code, or I want to start selling my products online. So you click on continue. So now it's going to bring you to this page. You say let's start set up your business on Bumper. This is the website that customers will visit to buy your website. So you click on continue. Now what is the name of your business? It says set up your store. You're only a few seconds away from managing your business like a pro. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write Posse Code. I'll just write Posse Code. Do you understand? I'll just write Posse Code. Yeah, don't mind me. So now it's going to be possecode.bumper.shop. So select your business. You're going to select which area your business really falls in here. So if it's toys and game, FMG, agro product, industrial, scientific, if it is books, if probably your product falls within the range of digital products or any of those things, just pick on books. Okay. So now for the sake of this video, I'm just going to be picking anything random. So let's say gadget. Okay. So and then let us say what it said. Add business description. I can just say this is an haven. Okay, let me say this is a haven for anything gadget. Just ask what you want, and I'll tell you what I have. So come on, it's not my best, so let's continue. So if you have an Instagram handle, it's not really compulsory, but let me just say I'm going to be putting an Instagram handle here. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put I will be putting my Instagram handle. So just hold on, give me a few minutes while I put that. I'm just going to have my Instagram handle. Let's just say at Posse Code. I don't know if it's going to know. I don't have. So I'll just click on continue and say. So let us know if you have a business. No, I do not have a business. So is this a new business? Okay, let me say yes. Okay, they asked me if this is a new business. I'll click on yes. So the other stars no. Okay, so let us continue with that. So now it is continuing and all. So now you want you to actually put a logo there. Do you understand? So I'm just going to go to my phone and put any random logo. Okay, but by now I will advise you that you already have a working logo already. That is, you already have something that is working. I mean, you already have a logo for your business. Okay, so I'll just click on here, and I'm just going to pick on anything random. All right, let me just pick this. All right, I'll just pick that as my logo, and let's see what we're going to be having. So now that is it. So it said select your state. Of course, I'm actually residing in Lagos, and then now I said enter city. I'm in Alimosho. No, Lagos. I will just enter Alimosho. All right. So now enter your primary business location. My primary business location is also Alimosho. Alimosho actually. So now fill in all of these details, like all of these. Let me clean it. Fill in all of these details. When you're done filling it, just click on what to continue. So let me just put something. Let me just say Ikeja. I'll just put Ikeja. Okay. I'll just put Ikeja there. So now, do you have a physical store? No. Let me pick no. So now I'm picking no for the sake of those people that has digital product. Okay. So now just click on continue, and then it's going to take us now. Congratulations, you now have a store. Do you understand? So now you now have a store, and the thing is just that you're going to have 2 weeks, about 2 weeks try to actually try this out. Okay, now let us continue to this. And then what do you need to do? You say add your first product. I'm going to be adding my first product, so the image and all. So I'll just click on this okay. I will add that. Okay, upload images. So now I'm doing this for the sake of this video, so that each and every one of us can see how this really works, guys. All right, so now is the image is being uploaded. So now just a pen tab. This is a pen tab. I'll just call it probably about 100,000. So does it have a discount? No. Yeah, this is best for office and mobility. I'll just write something there. So what I'm going to have, I have about 10 in stock. This is where you put in the details of your whatever of the stock. So you select the collection. You can select the collection. Okay, you don't have collection. Yes, if you have collection, just create a collection. Okay, so now what this need to do is you can just add everything, then you add the product. Okay, so everything that you need to do, you are going to do. So now this is it. We are done creating it, and you can just click on what I'm done. So if you want to add any other product, you can add it. So this is what you're going to do. So you can visit your source, share your link. I'm going to be copying this and sharing it on another thing now, so that you can see. All right, so, and if you're a very good business person, you can of course quickly do. Now it's asking me to update now, but I don't think I want to do that now. So now what I'm going to do now is this. I want to show you how this really looks like I want to show you how this really looks like. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be showing you how this looks like on the back end. Now let us see. I'm going to click on visit store. All right, so let me copy the link. Let me open it in Chrome. Now this is how it is. Okay, welcome to Posse Code. Okay, so this is it. So now this is anybody that is visiting this website, in as much you're going to be giving them the link. So this is how they are going to look like. I said welcome to Posse Code and all. So now it is even very, very great. You can even have newsletter that you can always follow up your email, guys. Do you understand? This is really great. Okay, so now if I click on add to cart, it's going to be added to cart. And if I decide to click on and I want to have that checkout, I can just click on item, then proceed to checkout. Enter my details as a customer, then I click on proceed. This is really great for you guys. And if you can do this, if you can subscribe to the Pro, you have more functions and more flexibility. This is really better than you opening a website and every other thing. Like for now, if you do not really have a budget, I think it's best. Do you understand? If you can just subscribe, because when you start making sales, at least within 14 days, you should be able to make sales that will be able to cover for the Pro version of it. All right, so this is really great, guys. If you stay in value and you think that this is really helpful to you, please drop a comment, drop a like, and share this video. Thank you. Subscribe. See you in the next video. I still remain Posse Code. See ya.